Today I'm going to demonstrate how you get nuked every day in front of a microwave. And what the 5G network is going to do is nuke your brain the same way this microwave is going to nuke this device right here. The 0.40 is the default normal setting for this machine. Watch this. All the way up to 120. Okay, now I'll open this door just to show you it's legit. There's nothing coming out of it now. I'm gonna hit the start button one more time. Immediately. And as I walk away from it, you see it's starting to drop. And you can see it. Now we're into the hall, and it's still. There we go. Okay, here's the TV screen. I'm gonna put this right in front of the TV screen. And as I back away and sit down, this is about normal sitting. I'm not getting nuked quite as bad at all. But there you go, that's the screen right there. Okay, let's look at the stove. As long as you're about that far away, you're good there. Here's the broken microwave. We're gonna turn that one on. Immediately getting nuked. I'm gonna walk away from it. I'm as far away into the hall as I can get. I'm getting zapped.